think there's supposed to be Easter eggs on there or something. On that tree.
Probably.
I think it looks cool. I think it would look cooler if these ibuprofen were kicking.
Ibuprofen.
How'd you get that to stand like that?
I took off all the rubber things in the bottom. Is that for like CDs or?
I don't know, that's what I was wondering. CDs or DVDs?
So where you can put it in, I guess.
Hey, that could even hold that fucking...
Oh yeah. They have to come up with this. You get light bulbs. I want to get a light bulb for that light thing in the kitchen right above the sink.
Oh, I know, I was checking that out. I was
Well,
trying to
hit
turn
the
it on.
hardware store. Excuse me. What else? I don't know. I have to make a list. So you look like Corey Trevor now. The hat. She also kind of looked like that chick on The Big Bang Theory. She's like the nerd one.
Oh. Oh my god, it hurts. I feel like it's not easy being a fuckboy. It's not a fuckboy world. That's why.
I don't know, shitty Rick Trailer Park Boys. They came up and did a show at the deck.
For real?
Yeah.
Dang.
One of their things is,
Did you go to it?
no, but somebody went there. Actually, I think Fuckboy went to, but whatever. They had this thing where they're selling Trailer Park Boy burgers, and all they did, they went and bought a bunch of fucking dollar burgers from McDonald's, and then they bought some A4 wrap, and then they just like put a stamp on there. It said like Trailer Park Boys burgers or whatever. And they were selling like fucking $10 a piece to everybody.
Shut up, really?
It's like, and somebody found out about mine and went on and ranted about it. It's like, fuck these guys. Like, that's bullshit. It's like, dude, it's a Trailer Park Boys. You got an authentic fucking ripoff.
Right?
If you're looking for like good cooked burgers from these guys, like, dude.
Good luck.
Well, it was the whole point. Like, that's actually kind of fun.
Right?
So, and they're doing real fucking.
You got jarred, eh?
I liked him up until the point I heard about him like choking that woman, Bubbles choking that one woman in the bathroom when they're in, I think it was California. Did you hear about that?
Mm-mm.
He choked her over, apparently, she took some chicken off him or something, wrapped some chicken, I don't know, but it was over chicken. And like he went in the bathroom, like choked her, and when the cops showed up, like he had her say like, well, oh, we're just friends, we're just wrestling.
What?
It's like, what?
For real?
Yeah, the guy who plays Bubs. He's like a drunken piece of shit in real life. Even that one, the chick who played Ricky's girlfriend for like how many seasons she had to leave the show. It's like, it's just not fun being on a show anymore. It's like I said, they're being pieces of shit for so long. Nice, not worth it. Plus, fucking, Mr. Leahy died.
He did?
Yeah.
In real life?
He's like, no point in watching the show anymore. It's like, Leahy's not on there. Fuck. And they ruined it by putting Snoop Dogg on there and all that shit.
He did?
Yeah. Unless they had Doug Stanhope on there. Or no, not Doug. The other Doug. The stoner Doug. It's like, the show is so downhill. They should have just ended it with the movie. This is actually pretty good.
Crime
So,
feels like a fuckboy.
some shows should just stay dead. It's like, fans bring them back and then they sucks.